I absolutely love this time of year since so much fresh produce is at its peak. You know exactly what I mean if you've been to a farmer's market or the produce aisle of your supermarket lately. Look at these tomatoes. So juicy and tasty, we could eat them like an apple. Imagine them sliced on a burger or as the crowning jewel on a salad. And if you haven't tasted the fresh sweet corn this season, you're missing out. It's super sweet, and when you bite into it, each kernel sort of bursts in your mouth. And sure, we can eat it boiled, steamed, or roasted and slathered with butter, but we came up with a fresh corn dip that is summertime perfect. After cutting the cooked corn off the cob, we combine it with some shredded cheddar cheese, scallions, chilies, and roasted red peppers. This gets mixed with sour cream and mayo, along with a bunch of spices. Then we serve it out of a rye or pumpernickel bread that we hollowed out to make it look party perfect. And whether you dip fresh veggies or chunks of bread in it, you're gonna go bonkers over how good it is. To get the almost addictive recipe for fresh corn dip, simply visit our website. I think you'll be glad you did. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the field way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.